Do you know who Kiko Barzaga is?
Yes, he's also known as Congress.
Meow! Okay, let's go. Let's explore his background. Kiko Barzaga, his full name is Francisco Austria Barzaga, is a Filipino politician from Dasmariñas, Cavite. He was born on September 12, 1998, making him one of the youngest politicians to serve in the Philippines of House of Representatives.
Before becoming a congressman, Kiko Barzaga served as a member of the Dasmariñas City Council from 2019 to 2025. He also became an ex-officio member of the Cavite Provincial Board as president of the Philippine Councilors League in Cavite. In 2025, he was elected as the representative. He enrolled at De La Salle University, Dasmariñas to study political science, but left before completing his degree because of his political responsibilities and congressional campaign. He has also expressed an interest in animal welfare and has been active in promoting animal-related causes.
Who is Kiko Barzaga? Kiko Barzaga, whose full name is Francisco Kiko Barzaga, is a Filipino politician from Dasmariñas, Cavite. He is a part of the Barzaga political family and has served in local government, focusing on public service and community development.
We search a statement of Barzaga, and we're going to identify its truth, opinion, or political truth.
Barzaga was expelled of the House Representative on June 2, 2026. It's true. Why? This is supported by officially House records and news reports.
The House voted 265 to 14 with 8 abstentions to expel him. Why truth? The voting results are official and verifiable.
The House Committee on Ethics Privilege found him guilty of disorderly behavior, conduct unbecoming of a member of Congress, repeated violation of the House Code of Conduct, repeatedly disrupting House proceedings using social media posts and live stream that the committee said undermined the dignity of the House. Before his expulsion, Barzaga has already been suspended twice for 60 days without pay, but the Ethics Committee concluded that further suspension would not prevent similar behavior, so it's recommended expulsion and suspended.
The Ethics Committee found him guilty of violating the House rules. This is true. Why? Because this is documented in the committee's report.
Kiko Barzaga is the most controversial politician in the Philippines. It is an opinion. Why? Most controversial is subjective and cannot be stated as a fact. House treated Kiko Barzaga unfairly. Opinion. Why? This expresses a personal judgment and different people may disagree. His expulsion was the correct decision. It is an opinion. Why? Whether it was correct, it depends on person.